I'm at Sandra Ayers' house, 3491 Dupree Street, Memphis, Tennessee, 3/12/2025, 73 degrees. Claim number is 4276C671B. This is my repair area. This is my controlled area. I'm using Owens Corning Supreme algae resistant shingle that ITEL recommended. This is the shingle that we will be removing today for the test. To remove this shingle, I'm going to need to break the seals on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we're looking for is material transfer, fastener pulls, creasings, tears, and granule loss. This is my controlled area right here. I'm going to go ahead and test the granule loss. And then my repair area, same thing. See a little bit of granule loss coming. I'm using a roof snake to follow State Farm's procedures. And let's begin. So we're moving this shingle right here. So we're gonna have to break the seals on 7 shingles to find the fasteners. One. Oh. See, we're starting to have a tear. Tear right there. Another tear on the same shingle. Going to 3. 4. 6 is torn. 5 is tearing. Look for these fasteners. There's a fastener here. The shingle's already tearing. Up. this fastener out to move this shingle. And roof snake has caused this to tear. This roof snake again tearing. Roof snake's just tearing this shingle that's not even being replaced up, trying to get this fastener out. Fastener's almost pulled through. Fastener did pull through and tore the shingle. One more. Fastener pull. Shingle with heavy material transfer. You can see where the fasteners have pulled through. If you notice, there is a second layer on this roof. The second layer is very brittle to the touch, just crumbles. This will cause leaks. See the second layer? Alright, we're going to put in the Owens Corning Onyx Black. It's all lined up. See all the granules coming down at my feet from this repair. So I'm gonna nail this one in. Now look, I've got to bend it up to get the hammer flush. I'm not going over 45 degrees. But it is causing slight creasing. Not going over 45 degrees, but you can tell this shingle is creasing. just to get the nail in is causing this shingle to crease. See, this one has got material yep, this is where it was tearing from the roof snake, and it is stuck due to material transfer, heavy material transfer up under this shingle. Having to nail it down, not above 45 degrees. Heavy granule loss. Going over 45 degrees. You can see that it is creasing. Heavy material transfer. So we had a tear. Tear, creasing, 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 fastener pull, fastener pull, fastener pull, another tear. Go check our boxes. We had material transfer, we had fastener pulls, we had creasing, we had tears, we had granule loss. 5 out of 5. This is a fail test. You can see all the granules right here from this repair. Tears, creasing, fastener pulls. To replace the other shingles on this roof, we're just going to cause further damage to the existing shingles. These are not going to reseal. There's too much material transfer on the back side of them, and they are creased. Failed test. Go ahead and wipe the control area, repair area. See the granule loss, control area,